Hello everyone, today we will solve an interesting math problem. Before we start, you can like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Find the answer and write it in the comment. Let's solve the equation 2x plus 5 equals 11. First, we send 5 to the other side. Five becomes negative. Eleven to 5 equals 6. Then we divide both sides by 2. We find the answer as 3. Were you right? Now, let's solve a few more examples. You too solve this example and write your answer in the comments.